Teacher Ann, I can tell, really knows my child because of all the things that she's told me during our conferences, but also like when picking her up from school or dropping her off. I can tell that she really understands my child. Amelia just adores her, and I can tell that they've created a fast bond.
I've gone to her numerous times asking her for advice on my son and how I can better help him, and she's always right there with great feedback. She's hungry to learn, and I give a lot of that credit to Teacher Ann.
There are only a few teachers in the district that teach the whole school, and Christy's one of them. And what makes her special is that each child she works with believes that she's only teaching them, because she takes time to meet with them in class individually. She differentiates between them.
The kind of person that you would want as your best friend. When I talk to other people about her, the first thing they go is, oh, you are so lucky to have her at your school. You are so lucky, because she takes everyone for who they are and loves everyone unconditionally.
Plans all of her lessons around what works best for each individual student and really puts her heart and soul into everything she does.
Just an innovator with all the things, you know, it's ever changing.
Sharing different tactics or things that she does in the classroom to meet the needs of everyone. So even if it's down to the different chairs that their students sit on or the different activities that they do.
If you meet her, you know she's amazing, and the kids love her, the parents love her. She's just goes above and beyond in all that she does.
She really cares about the classroom environment. They feel that she's on their side, that she loves them, and that they belong in her classroom.
She always helps me to make my day better. She also encourages us.
She's very nice and she's very kind.
On day one, she makes sure that all the students feel loved and that they belong.
What makes her fun is she plays lots of Chinese and math games with us.
She is extremely kind, she's approachable, she's very strong and compassionate. She engages with the children in such a natural, fun, lively way.
Just having your kid love school and feel successful and feel good about their achievements and what they're capable of doing, there's no words for that. I can't express how important she has been in how my son feels about school. I don't think we'd be in the same place if we didn't prefer guiding him and helping him.
She's so in tune with the interests of the children, their abilities, their personalities. I don't know if she realizes the impact that she's having on these kids, but it goes so far beyond the classroom.
And it's such a great feeling to be able to drop my kid off every day and she runs into school with a smile. She gets down on the kids' levels. She modifies how she treats each one to make them feel the most important person in that room.
I love Sonia Mesa because she's nice and she has a big heart.
It was never boring. It was always something new going on. He's just fun to be around and will always make you smile. I know we would play like games in Chinese where we were learning. Even just like when we were eating like snack, we would watch like shows in Chinese.
You want to be in his class. He will help you with anything. Whatever you ask him, he will be there for you. He understands what you think. He played like Gim Kits, Blue Kits with us. He played games with us. And he always tried to win, which is what I like about him.
She really does make us feel and our child feel like they're the only child in the class and that, you know, she's focused on them, and she does that for every single student.
She's kind, she's patient, she always listens to what you have to say, and she always has input. She makes you do your work, but also like she lets you have breaks, and she always understands that that somebody needs a break.
She's amazing. That would be, I know it's kind of like a cliche, but like she's really good. She's a great teacher. I love her so much.
She's always willing to help you if you have any issues with your instrument or just anything with music. And she's always making personal connections with you, so she's always asking you about your family.
She's really fun and encouraging, and she always helps out if you don't know the fingerings for the note or something.
She can even make the hardest music that we're playing seem easy just with her teaching methods. And if we need to get serious about something, she's always able to help us buckle down, and she's never afraid to make us keep practicing until we get it right.
You can tell she genuinely cares about whatever she's discussing with you. She definitely puts thought into her projects.
She loves flexibility in projects, so you are able to do a lot of stuff at your own free will. She's flexible, respectful, and also encouraging.
She just always has something nice to say about everyone, and she's really good at just kind of making sure everyone shows their best personality traits. When you're talking to her, it actually feels like you're almost talking to a friend.
Sarah's really creative in the ways that she helps students participate in class. She looks for ways to incorporate everyone in the classroom.
Sarah is always smiling. She's always happy to see you. I don't think she ever has a bad day. Sarah will go out of her way to do anything to meet students' needs. She'll go to job sites, she'll go to classrooms, she'll do anything.
She has figured out ways for our daughter to participate in class, ways that I had never even thought of, in ways that brings a lot of joy.
Whenever a student has a problem, whether emotional, academic, or mental, she really just makes you feel like she's there for you and you can talk to her about anything. She always remembers the little things that you tell her. She just makes you feel like she's there to listen. You can tell she's really passionate about her work.
She always has new and fun activities for us to do, whether it's table discussions or for review activities. They're always really great. I always see Miss Bunty as a very good adult figure to be around. I can be having a bad day and walk into her classroom and my whole mood changes.
T-Dubs is incredibly open. She makes sure that her classroom is always a safe space for everyone. Super loving and caring and outgoing, and she always just wants to make sure that everyone knows that she's there for them no matter how much you know her.
You'll never know what's coming from her, but in the best way. She makes random noises, she makes jokes. She is just always there. Some tragic events have happened. She has brought the class together, and instead of doing homework, she had us do a big group hug and then play games.